Hey guys, welcome back. So, Carrot Weather is just introduced on Android. So, the weather application is already available on Apple App Store, but it's just available on the Google Play Store. So, here I am doing a tiny bit of hands-on with this application just for you guys on YouTube. So, without overdue, let's get started. So, let's open this application out quickly.
Redirecting storms. Here, take these clouds. And this knife, which I need you to dispose of for me.
As you can see, when you pop up the application, it basically gives you a voice stuff going on with whatever the weather is right now. So talking about the user interface itself, I guess it doesn't change too much from the Apple one, the iOS one. So at the top you're going to see your location, then a share, which is just a little bit of laggy. I don't know why, but yeah, it's happened. Then you're going to find something called weather alerts. After that, you're going to find this option. From there, you can go to Premium Club. This is also Premium Club.
Upgrade to Premium Club to unlock my weather time machine.
This is also Premium Club. So here you're going to find something called Remove Ads, where you can remove those ads, and then you get widgets. Time Machine, which is basically view the weather for any location up to 70 years in the past. After that, you're going to find a Save a Cat. Yup, if you guys wanted to save a cat, buy this guy right now. If you upgrade now, I promise not to kill a poor, defenseless kitten. Save a kitten, guys. Believe me, save a kitten. Okay, let's go back. And tapping this one, you get Premium Club, as I just mentioned. And then there is something called Mission, which is so you tap it, it's basically called secret locations.
I've hidden a trove of secret locations across the globe. Can you solve my clues to track them all down?
So it's a little bit more like a mission, so I don't want to play this right now. So I have hidden a trove of secret location across the globe. Can it solve the clues to track them all? So it's probably not.
You're right. So I'll make the first one easy for your cottage cheese brain. Just locate the official residence of the President of the United States of America.
Okay.
Are you really that bad at geography? Zoom in on the east coast of the US, find Washington, D.C., then hold your fat finger down on the screen to search an area of the map for the President's house.
Okay, so it's pretty nice. So it's telling me to find President's house. I know how it's going to be doing. Let's go to Washington, D.C. Yep, here I am on Washington, D.C. And I don't think it's going to happen, so it says signal.
I'm detecting a faint signal coming from your target. Get closer to the swamp, then try again.
Oh, so yep, so this is more of a game and kind of a sarcastic game type of stuff, so you can do that, absolutely. Okay, now let's come back to weather stuff going on. So in the home screen, you get your weather, your fields like, precip, and wind. Here, take these clouds and this knife, which I need to dispose of for me. After that, you're going to find your not daily, it's basically hourly forecast. So you can see 10 a.m, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, the whole up to 9. Nice. So tapping this one, you're going to find the 32-degree overcast at 12 p.m. After that, you're going to say feels like, precip, wind, UV index. I pretty appreciate that. Dew point, humidity, pressure, and visibility. After that, you're going to find your daily forecast of 7 days. So yes, this is here. So tapping one, you're going to pop up the same widget. So you can tap Monday, so you can see the whole thing about that. Now you can tap Monday, and it's there. So overall, the application it's pretty good in my opinion. The game and those awesome and weird sarcastic steps that going on a lot of time might be funny. If you want to check it out, this application is free, but as I just mentioned, there's that Premium Club.
Upgrade to Premium Club to unlock exclusive bonus features like ad removal, a weather time machine, and a widget.
Well, as you can see, it's already tell you that. So yeah, that's pretty fun. Over guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.